Hey, I want to talk to you about this JoyNote classroom magnetic letter kit. This is for learning how to spell and learning your letters, alphabet basically, upper and lower case. So what's in the kit? Let's take a quick look at it here so you can see. It comes in this nice box as you see here that you can store it away when you're done with it. I'll put the box to the side over here, just so you know. So what's in the kit? It does come with a user's manual, so it basically gives you some information about the dry erase board, how to use it, and so on. So very simple instructions, nothing crazy with that. Here is the magnetic dry erase board, so you can actually write on it and also put the letters on it to match up so you can kind of learn how to write. Okay, so let's see what's in the kit. So what we have in the kit is in a nice plastic container, just so you know. Let's open this up and take a look at it. And you can see here, all the letters are all individually in its little compartment, A through Z. It does have the dry erase kit here, right here. Little dry eraser, you can do that as well, and some different color pens that you can do in the dry eraser, like I said. So that's in here as well, A through Z, uppercase and lowercase in each compartment. So that's how this is laid out. They're like felt material, they feel like a felt, super soft, and here's an example of the letter R. The lowercase, uppercase, so you can see here how they are. So you can teach your little ones, uppercase, lowercase, spell their name, spell different things, but I love the full magnetic back. A lot of other ones out there in the market don't have the full magnetic back. I like that, it's more secure, it sticks better, as you can see here. Here's the R, uppercase, lowercase here, and then you can write with the pen, like I said, right below it, and you can kind of say, okay, let's copy this, let's copy that, and that's kind of how that works. So I do love it, and it has different colors. So you have the red, here's a red, here's an O, right? And then we have different kinds, we have different, all the alphabet right here, A through Z, all in here with the dry erase board. Love the quality, I love the way it's built, I love the way it works, I love the feel of the letters, but most importantly, I love the full magnetic back. So I just wanted to make this a quick review and just to show you how they feel. Uppercase, lowercase, comes with everything right here. Maybe put that back in here. And let's see, let's take a look at one more before we finish this up. And we can have the Q. Love the Qs. Lowercase Q, uppercase Q. That is really cool. I love that. Put that back. You guys have any questions or any comments? Let me know, leave down below. I think this is a fantastic kit for someone learning how to spell and learning their letters. Very important. No numbers, just a letter kit. You can also get the numbers as well. This is just for spelling, and I really like it. Really cute. I like the U. The U is really cute and all that. But everything's really cute. I mean, it really is. I mean, here's the C, uppercase C, lowercase c. So you can see how everything's all easily organized. Here's the full back of the magnet, which is really nice, and they also stick to the board. Awesome. All right, and then you can write below it, like I said. So this is a dry erase board. It's magnetic. It does everything it says it does, and I like the quality of this kit. I really do. So here it is right here. Comes in a nice plastic case, so when you're done with it, you can put everything back in where they belong. They can learn the numbers when they put them back. Let's put the S back. That's another thing we can actually teach them, how to do recognition with letters. Not just saying them, not just writing them, but understanding, okay, here's the R, where does the R go? And you can kind of play that game. Oh, the R goes here. All right, and that's how you kind of play that game. So you have a lot of interaction here with this kit. So I definitely love it. I think it's a great kit and a good value. I'll leave a link down below for this kit if you're interested in this kit. There's a link down below in my description. I've looked at different kits and different options out there, and I don't like the ones with the little tiny magnet on it. I think this is just a better overall fit for the quality. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this enjoyable. If you found this valuable, let me know. Leave a like down below. For learning, so important for kids to learn today. It's interaction. Everything's online with the phone, the computers. I think you need hands-on experience to really learn how to spell, how to write, how to understand everything, and that's what this is all about. So you have the interaction. It's fun colors, and it's soft. Not that heavy, that plastic. I like these a lot. I really do. You guys have any questions or comments, leave down below. Leave a like for the video, and also if you enjoyed the video, let me know. I have a super thanks below, that little heart below the video. That just helps support my channel. Anything I do raise helps me go out and purchase and find new items so I can continue bringing you some value. So I do like this. JoyNote is the name of the company. I love the quality of the item. I think it's great. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next one. And watch all these other videos, all kinds of different videos on my channel to learn about all kinds of cool stuff, and that's what this channel is all about.